Hi, welcome to today's video. Do you ever wonder what Monastery Made Skincare is all about? You might have seen their ads on Facebook like I did and wondered, who are they? Where are they located? What do they do? What is their focus? And what do their products look like? And how do they work? So today we're going to talk about all of that so you get a better idea, as I have learned myself, what they are all about and what do they do, how they feel. They are amazing. A little bit about Monastery Skincare. So Monastery Made Skincare is based in San Francisco. By Athena Hewitt is the founder. It's 100% independently owned business. She is a master esthetician. Traveled back to Greece when she was a child, saw her grandmother collecting herbs, making these botanicals that all worked with the body instead of against it, all with the focus of healing. So Monastery Made is a healing botanical skincare, and all of their products are basically made to heal the skin in whatever form and whatever category that you're using. It's an amazing company. I was in San Francisco over the holidays, was able to go to the shop, look at all of the products, came back with a bundle, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in the next couple of videos. Today we're talking about serums. If you wonder also about me, I'm 62. I know. It's been quite a journey for me in my skincare. I have tried all these different products, which gives me a wealth of knowledge for all of them, what they do and how they work. I'll be bringing those to you throughout the, as I'm just getting my channel started here, so you can understand a little bit more about them as well. So, but today's video, we're going to talk about skincare serums. Both of these are hyaluronic acid serums. So hyaluronic acid in both of these serums comes in two forms, a smaller form and a larger form. So the smaller actually works to penetrate, I had to learn all of this myself, into the skin and therefore plump the skin from underneath. Whereas the larger molecules stay on the outside and help to lock in that moisture and keep your face hydrated throughout the day. So what's so special about their Aloe Hyaluronic Moisture Boost? We all need a boost in the morning. I use mine morning and night, and I use it for, I can use it as a toner. I usually typically use it after a toner, after I've cleansed, of course. So taking a look at the product itself, comes in these wonderful glass bottles, as do all their products, pretty much in the similar fashion. So this is using both of the hyaluronic acid molecules and an aloe base. So the aloe is soothing, healing, hydrating. It's a wonderful way to carry and apply this to your face. A couple of things they use is Clary sage. So Clary sage is an astringent, which is great if you have any kind of irritation from acne, for example, or you've messed with your skin barrier a little too much and it's a little irritated. So Clary sage helps to heal that. Also, lavender is very soothing. There's a slight aroma, very small, but it's all natural, that gives you a little bit of aromatherapy while you're using the product as well. So, once I've cleansed my face, I've used my toner. If that's something that you use in your skincare, I would apply the aloe. I usually use 2 pumps of aloe because I think it is so fantastic. So we'll put 2 pumps in my hand, as you can see. It's not too runny, it's kind of gel-like. I like to rub it into my hands, and then so I don't waste all the products, I first pat all over my face, making sure I get my neck. And then I just go about patting and making sure that I push all of the aloe, the clary sage, the lavender, make everything work to my benefit. And that's it. So if you're wondering if it does not have any kind of tackiness, it's just a slightly bit, you can feel it on your face basically, but that's about it. It's not tacky at all. So I allow that to sink in for a few minutes, and then I come back with the Flora Botanical Cream Serum. So this is the next step in my skincare. Again, comes in the same bottle. This one works to hydrate, prevent signs of aging, soothes, firms, brightens. I mean, what else do you want in a serum, right? So the cool thing about this, it's a creamy serum. So it's a little bit different than, I would say it's heavier weight than you would find as a toner and more lightweight compared to some of the serums. It is not gel-like at all. So this serum, again, I've tried a couple things, so I'll be honest with you here. I loved it so much I used 2 pumps when I first started, and to be honest, that was way too much. And it's expensive. So I used 1 pump in my hand, and that's pretty much what it looks like there. It's got a yellow consistency. It's very creamy. 1 pump on my entire face works great. You can do 2. Again, I pat it. Before I start spreading it around. It's just amazing. It feels so good. It has a slight botanical, very soothing spa-like scent to it. It feels fantastic. And as you can see, as a guy, I like the idea of being glowy, but I don't like to look glowy and shiny. This does not leave my face very shiny or glowy at all. It's super healthy. It feels hydrated, soft. I just love the way it feels. So those are the 2 products that I was bringing to you today. If you're interested, I just started my channel, so there's a lot of channels out there that go into specifics about the ingredients and all the different things. I'm a skincare lover, if you will, aficionado, whatever you want to call it. I just love skincare. And having taken that journey from where my skin was to where it is today, I've learned a lot of things. So if that is something that you want to honestly feel an honest review from somebody who's just the normal guy, who's been around the block, I've done my research, I know what works, I know what doesn't work, and I know why, then this hopefully will be an opportunity for you to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button because there'll be lots of videos coming your way. And of course, if you like this video, I would hope that you would give us a big thumbs up. And until then, I hope you've learned something about Monastery Made. Check it out if you're in San Francisco. I have included a link to both products and their website in the description below. Once again, thank you for joining. Please subscribe, please like, get notified if you like, and come on this journey with me of skincare, self-care. Take care.